Babybus.
This is the solar system, and this is our home, planet Earth. Hi, I am Astronaut Kiki. Welcome to Rocket Launch Base on the Earth. Let's experience the life of the astronaut together and travel the solar system to explore the mysterious universe. Change into the outfit of the astronaut first. Tight clothing. It can protect the astronaut's muscles and bones. Spacesuit. Fasten the buckles properly for safety. Gloves. Helmet. Shoes. Outfit change is complete. Let's go to the launching pad and head for the universe. Wow! It's the new equipment sent from the space agency. Let's piece all the parts together. Interplanetary jump drive. The spacecraft is upgrade. Let's fill up the energy and get ready to launch. The rocket is made up of multiple thrusters, which will fall off automatically when they are exhausted. Are you ready? Let's head for the space. Press the button and launch the rocket. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Press the button to accelerate the rocket. Awesome! Let's head for the universe! We are back to the space station. Let's continue with our mission as astronauts. Huh? There's a communication signal from an unknown source. I'm trapped in an unknown wormhole. Can anyone receive my signal? Someone is in danger. Let's go for the rescue. Mayday call comes from here. Let's enter the wormhole for the rescue. Wow! This is the distant universe. Follow the icons to find the damaged spacecraft. The spacecraft has sent out the Mayday call. Follow the direction of the icons. Great! The damaged spacecraft has been found. Let's turn on the interplanetary jump drive and get back to the solar system. I am saved! Thank you, Astronaut Kiki. It's my duty. Astronaut Kiki has accomplished the mission. It's getting late. Let's wash up and get ready for bed. How do you wash your face in space? Let's give it a try. The water in space is stored in the bag. Let's press it hard. Water can float and get your face wet with a water ball. Then wipe with a towel. It's time for bed. Let's get ready for it. Attach the sleeping bag onto the hook. In space, astronauts sleep in sleeping bags. Stuff can float in space. Let's secure the sleeping bag for safety. Secure the sleeping bag with a belt. All right then. Good night, everyone. We can float around in the space station as there's no gravity here. Huh? My spacecraft ran into a meteorite cluster and cannot move now. Please help me. Someone is in danger. Let's go for the rescue. The meteorites are coming! Keep away from them! The meteorites are coming! Keep away from them! You are almost there! Keep going! Awesome! The damaged spacecraft has been found! It is so dangerous! Thank you for your rescue, Astronaut Kiki! It's my duty! Congratulations! You have successfully completed the mission! The space station has run out of supplies. The space agency has launched a rocket with more supplies. Let's check them out. Find the rocket with supplies in the universe through the detection device. That's not correct. This is not the rocket with... That's not correct. That's not correct. This is not the rocket with... Yeah! You found the rocket with supplies! Use claws to bring the rocket with supplies to the space station. Wow! The supplies are floating in! Let's sort them out. There are more supplies to be sorted out. Keep going. Great! All the supplies have been sorted out. Finally, secure the floating supplies. Yeah! The supplies are all in place, and the space station can work normally. We have run out of energy. Let's return to the Earth for mission report. Astronaut Kiki, congratulations on your successful space mission. Here is a reward for you. Congratulations on winning the Wormhole Rescue Warrior badge.